In this tutorial, we are going to install Apache Open Office on my Windows 10 computer. So visit the website openoffice.org/product/windows.html and you will find the details of Apache Open Office. The current release of Apache Open Office is 4.1.15. The current Apache Open Office is available for XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. The hardware requirement is 256 MB of RAM and at least 650 megabyte space on the disk, and graphic resolution is 1024 into 768. It comes with a writer which is used for creating the documents, and we have calc. uh, this is for creating the sheets like this. Here you can perform the different calculation. Also it supports the graph, so it is open source replacement of Microsoft Excel. Then we have the draw with Open Office application, and which you can use to create the diagrams like this and many more. So we will proceed with the download, and after completion of the download we will install in our Windows 10 machine. My machine is 64-bit, but I will download the Windows 32-bit x86 exe file because I am not able to find the 64-bit installer, and I assume that it will work on my Windows 10 machine. So let's download it, and it is being downloaded from the sourceforge.net, and you can see the download is started. And if I see the progress, the download is quite fast on my machine, and it will take 1 minute for the download to complete. So the download is completed. I can go inside this folder and then click on the exe file. From here also I can directly click on the Apache Office exe file, and installer will I can follow the installer and install it into my Windows 10 machine. I will click on next, and this is the location of installation. Now the installer is started. This is the installation wizard. I will click next. I will leave this form as it is and click next, next, install. So the installer is now installing this on my Windows 10 machine. Installation is completed. I will click finish. Now I can search the Open Office. So here I have Open Office icon. Yeah, now I can create a text document. increase the font of this. I can also make it center of the page. I can change the color, background color. Also I can change the different text color. So in this tutorial we learned how to download the Apache Office and install on the Windows 10 machine. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.